So it may be raining, but work don't stop.
That's right. We just are working in the rain.
When you're dependent on your food, your yard, your animals for your subsistence, rain can't stop you. You gotta keep working. And this isn't the type of rain that'll stop you from working. There is that rain, but this isn't it. One thing good about this rain is our water barrels are almost completely full. So that rain that was kind of light that Stan could work through ended up being a torrential downpour that we could not even see in. And actually the back of our house flooded, and that was a horrible ordeal. Our garden has taken a little bit of a hit. I mean, you can see things that are laying over. Kind of walk through them a little bit. Now this is after it's been raining off and on for a couple of weeks. So the only thing that I'm hoping through this rain is that it cleans the air. They've been harvesting cotton here, which is a big allergy for me. I don't know if you noticed on some of the videos, but I've been sniffling, and that's sinus. Let me kind of walk out. I want you to see. See, this is laying over. My moringa tree, my tree, mind you, is laying over. Stan's going to have to prop that up in a little bit. The chickens don't even want to come out. There's a pepper that's laying down. You see standing water, which, you know, that's not so bad. It has soaked in, but you can see I'm stepping through water all through the yard. One good thing, right here, you can see that the rain has taken down most of our pears. Now there's still a lot of pears in the tree, but we have.
Hello everyone, out here in the rain. It's been raining for about 2 weeks now. We've had a horrible drizzle of rain. I mean, it's just coming down like crazy. Areas are flooding around us. So far our area hasn't flooded, even though our sunroom, our greenhouse that is in, that flooded Saturday. But you can see the ground's so soft and saturated. Our moringa tree is just falling over. We got other things throughout the area that's falling over. So now I'm going to take it back up. Look how soft this is. I can just take it and just push it down. That's how soft it is. But I'm going to take my driver. I'm going to knock it down so I can get it down real good so it doesn't blow over or fall over the way. And when you use one of these, use caution, because if you bring it up too far and it catches, it will come down and hit you on the head. Speaking from experience, I had a knot up to here one day. Let's see. Uh-oh. We'll have to double tie it. And I'm gonna put another stake in over there and do the same thing.
Yeah.
Alright, I got it tied up, and this is good to go. We're going to get in and out of this weather. Talk to y'all later.
Homestead. It is raining and has been for several weeks. The other day we got a torrential downpour. I mean, it was raining so hard you couldn't even see through it. And thank goodness that has let up. But that flooded my sunroom, started flooding my pantry. But we caught that before it got too bad. Got the wet back out and started vacuuming everything out. And it's been an ordeal. This is that tropical storm that has been sweeping over from the Gulf. But what I wanted to show you was here in where it's just the grass. It is flooded, saturated, bad. In the garden, where we have heavy mulch, it's not the same. And I wanted to show you that just to prove our point and to show you a practical example of why mulch is so good. You can see here, it is deep. Well, you know, it's pooling like that. Then we come over here into the garden area and we don't see that. It's not the same. It's a wonderful thing in the garden. But it's not that way in the rest of the yard where we just have grass, which is getting less and less each year goes on. But I'm going to get in because it is starting to rain pretty heavy again, and I will talk to you later. Thank you for joining me for this short little video. I hope things are drier when you're at, and if not, take care of yourself, stay dry, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.